Hey friends, I've decided to try something new and I've joined up as a guest participant on the One Room Challenge, and you guys get to come along for the ride. Now here's my den. This is the room that we're going to be making over, which you might recognize from my spring cleaning video. Notice we have a potty training toilet down here. Don't worry, it's never been used. There's a paper plate left over from breakfast, a box of garbage bags that needs to be put away, and some artwork on the wall. We've got a dog who has taken over our couch, a bunch of toys on the floor, and here is the culprit for most of the mess right there. Now our main thing is this weird arch at the top, so we want to take out the arch and open up. We want to paint the walls and the ceiling, and we really want to add some new curtains, and so I'm probably going to be sewing these curtains myself unless I just find some I love. We're also going to make a new family painting, get a new rug, a new couch, new coffee table, and organize the bookshelf. So over the next 8 weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you our progress as we continue to work on this room, and then at the very end you will see the grand reveal. I'll be sharing all of this on Instagram and much more detailed videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys will join me. I'm so excited to be a part of this challenge, and I cannot wait to have my den decorated.